Take a ride in the 2021 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, power passenger seat. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.